Okay, other than the pumpkin we made, we also saved some seeds for
Roasting
baking.
to make it into a snack.
We dry it and then we will put it in the oven.
Drying out the seeds in the sun. Then I think we're gonna try to put it in the oven. But supposedly you can just put it in the sun. We might try to double bake it. Okay, so let's roast these seeds. So we put them outside for 24 hours after we washed them, took off the meat, tried to clean it. So now it's all pretty dry. So we're gonna use this baking sheet. And then the recipe says to coat it in oil, olive oil, to help it brown. So let's get some olive oil. Let's hope, it says or butter. There's all kinds of recipes. Some recipes use honey or paprika. Uh-oh. I'm gonna mix it up. So I preheated the oven to 350. And it says to put for 15 minutes, tossing occasionally so that they get evenly cooked. Okay. Okay. So put it in the oven, 350. We'll check it again in 5 minutes and toss them. They should be turning a nice golden brown. Okay, so cooked it for 15 minutes, stirred it every 5 minutes. It smells like popcorn, strong smell of popcorn in here. So I took it out, sprinkled some sugar, some salt on here, gave it a little toss. You can hear it. Wow. And imagine all the people that carve pumpkins that just toss it. This is like a great snack. You're just throwing money down the drain when you throw those seeds away. Oh, happy Halloween.